Hi friends, welcome back to 50 most important GK 2020 question answer series. This video is going to very important for all competitive exam, those who are preparing for UPSC, State Public Service Commission exam, TCS, TPS, TPSC or Police Service exam. Friends, after watching this video, if you like it, please share with your friends. So, let's start. Today's first question. Which fund has been set up to provide relief to all those affected by COVID-19 pandemic? Right answer is PM CARES. Next, which Indian badminton player recently won the BBC India Sports Women of the Year award? And right answer is PV Sindhu. Next, which team has won the 2019-20 Ranji Trophy title defeating Bengal in the final? And right answer is Saurashtra. Next, which country ranked first in the World Happiness Index 2020? Right answer is Finland. And for your kind information, India ranked 144 in the World Happiness Index 2020. Which state ranked first in the India Happiness Index 2020? And right answer is Mizoram. Maria Sharapova played tennis for which country? And right answer is Russia. Next, which date World Health Organization declared coronavirus as a pandemic? Right answer is 11th March 2020. Next, the Global Carbon Project report is published by, and your right answer is none of the above. In terms of area, which one of the following Indian states has the largest coverage of forest? Right answer is Madhya Pradesh. And in terms of forest cover as percentage of total geographical area is Mizoram, 85.41%. Which one of the following reads means we command? And right answer is mandamus. Next, President of India extended inner line permit to which of the following state? And right answer is Manipur. Sundarban is an example of, right answer is mangrove ecosystem. Next, the League of Nations was established in, and your right answer is 10th January 1920. Main objective the League of Nations was to maintain world peace. Which Indian state is the largest producer in the world of the golden colored Muga silk? And your right answer is Assam. Next, Battle of Kannauj was fought in the year, and your right answer is 17th May 1540. It was between Sher Shah Suri and King Humayun. Okay. Next, name the former Chief Justice of India who was recently nominated to the Rajya Sabha by President Ramnath Kovind. And your right answer is Honorable Mr. Ranjan Gogoi. He was 46th Chief Justice of India. Next, what is the base year for measuring inflation at wholesale price index in India? And right answer is 2011-12. Next, which of the following date is celebrated as World Environment Day? And right answer is 5th June. This year, World Environment Day 2020 theme is Biodiversity. Biodiversity part is very important for all your competitive exam, and we have already uploaded one video on biodiversity. Please go through our playlist and watch biodiversity video. Okay. Next, Paris Peace Forum is related to, and right answer is global governance. Article 148 is related to which of the following? And your right answer is Comptroller and Auditor General. India's first coronavirus death occurred in which state? And your right answer is Karnataka. When was the Central Information Commission established? And right answer is 12th October 2005. Next, which one of the following territories does not have border with Mizoram? And right answer is Nagaland. Friends, we have already uploaded one video on Northeast Indian map that was very important for all competitive exam. So friends, please go through our playlist and watch that video. Okay. Next, which of the following is the highest point of Europe? And your right answer is Mount Elbrus. Next, the pact signed between Gandhiji and Dr. Ambedkar in 1932 for providing separate electorates for the depressed class was, and right answer is the Pune Pact. The name Matangini Hazra is associated with, and your right answer is Quit India Movement. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? And right answer is speed. Next, Mahatma Gandhi was got the title of Father of Nation by, and right answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it? Right answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next, which of the following gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Right answer is pancreas. Insulin is responsible to control blood sugar in the human body. The pact brought unity between Indian National Congress and Muslim League in 1916 was, right answer is Lucknow Pact. Which is the lowest point in Asia? and your right answer is Dead Sea. Next, the moderate extremist split is known as, right answer is Surat split. The name of Nawab Salimullah of Dhaka is associated with the foundation of, right answer is Muslim League. Next, who wrote the famous book The Guide? And right answer is R.K. Narayan. Next, when did Second Roundtable Conference take place? Right answer is 1931. The words socialist and secular have been added to the preamble of our constitution by, right answer is 42nd Amendment. Which of the following state does not have a boundary with Pakistan? And right answer is Haryana. Total 4 states of India sharing their boundary with Pakistan: Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir and Gujarat. Next, which state of India has the longest coastline? And right answer is Gujarat. The headquarters of United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization is at, and right answer is Rome, the capital of Italy. Next, which of the following is the largest state in area? And right answer is Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam is the second largest state in Northeast India. Kilowatt is a unit to measure, and right answer is power. Next, the ozone layer in the atmosphere is at a height of about, and right answer is 40 km. Next, Baghdad is the capital city of, right answer is Iraq. Bangkok is the capital city of Thailand and Tehran is the capital city of Iran. Okay. The side mirror of vehicles are of which type of mirror? And right answer is convex. West Bengal shares boundary with how many countries? Right answer is 3: Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. Dr. C.V. Raman was awarded Nobel Prize for his work connected with which of the following radiation? And right answer is scattering. Next, the filtration unit of kidney is, right answer is nephron. On which day National Panchayati Raj Day was observed in India? And right answer is April 24. Today's last question. Which of the following vitamin is soluble in water? And right answer is vitamin C.